Hello everybody, as you can see I just parked my truck for a 9-hour break. I am pretty exhausted and it's really chilly outside. As you can see, the winter is coming. So I just checked my truck if I parked it alright and if my brakes are overheated and so on, because I got a new lamp. So we can make more night filmings like loadings and parkings and everything. So thank you very much for supporting me on Buy Me a Coffee, because this lamp is from you. Now I am going to make one more round around the truck to move myself a little bit, and then I'm going to hit the bed because I already started the heating system of the truck, and I'm going to sleep. So see you tomorrow morning. Bye bye.
Mit van neki? Roma, hozd ide, Maci! Gyere, hozd ide! Maci, hozd ide! Hát a labda! kérem ide. Ide, Maci. Gyere ide, ide. Üdv. Jó. Alvadj a húlva. Gyere ide. So the game is over because now we are exhausted, but as you can see, she is always willing to play all day long. It's always a pleasure to come home because everyone is waiting for me. So delightful. So now I'm going to go and grab a coffee with my parents. Two gas tanks on both sides, and both of them are 500 have 500 liters capacity. So I usually put like 1,000 liters diesel, and then we can hit the road towards Europe. Hello everyone, how are you today? So I am in Hungary. I have arrived to the unloading point, and I have unloaded my truck
right now I want to write the kilometers and some of the bills and fees what I have paid. Hello, wake up.
Hát volt olyan...
So I usually write the loading and the unloading locations, the kilometers. I will also write how much I have, how much petrol I have put in my truck, and also I have washed the truck and the fee of this. Today we are in October. From here I have to go load, and then I'm going to hit the road towards the Czech Republic, and from there I have to go to Romania, but I have to hurry up really much because soon there will be Thursday night there will be a stop in Hungary, a truck stop, obligatory, and you can't move the truck like 3 days, so I have to get out of Hungary before it happens. Before leaving, I want to grab a bite, because after that I'm going to drive and it will be a little bit difficult to eat on the road. So today we have a little bit of salade de bœuf. My mother made it. It's really good. And I have some meat. So bon appétit. Yeah, very good, the meat. The beef is made with sour pickles and a little bit of lemon, so it's a little bit soury. It's the best. And if the November is here, then we have to wait only a month till Christmas. And the snow and the winter. I like very much winter. I don't know about you, but one of my favorite season is the winter. With the truck it's a little bit more difficult because the roads are slippery. You have to be always careful with the snowing and etc. But you know, that inner child in me really enjoys the winter.
big my truck is. So yeah, as you can see, I don't have much space on the left and on the right. Also, the quality of the road is pretty bad, but on the GPS it's showing me that this is the way. So I have like 3 kilometers left. I really hope that I am not going to meet with anybody. As you can see, this is the road where I should go. So yeah. De sziasztok! So as you can see, guys, I have arrived successfully after an hour anxiety because here in the Czech Republic, I don't know why, but it's if you are leaving the highway, almost every road or route has forbidden part where you can pass with the truck with 40 tons. And as you can see, I have transported some component which is needed in cat food or dog food. So as you can see, the place is full of cats. They are so sweet. I loved really much the black one. If I could, I would take her home, or him, I don't know what is her, I think it's her. And now I'm going to wash very fast my feet, and then I'm going to hit the bed. So sweet dreams. Dobre večer. Good morning, everybody. So how are you today? I am very happy because in the morning I could unload very fast. At 6 o'clock I was already inside the dogs and the cats food factory. So now I am at the loading point. I have come up only to change my gloves, my working gloves, because I had this type. I liked it very much, but as you can see, yeah, my fingers have started to come out. I liked it very much because it was a really good fit on my hand, and also it was somehow protecting against when I hit my hand. So I got me one. I don't know how these are going to be because I got the same size, it's 8, but it feels that it's a little bit big for my hand.